Here's Hadley playing with her new balloon from her cousin Wyatt. She loves it. She's been walking around with it. And I don't think that I've actually made a video yet of her walking, even though she's been doing it pretty well for a couple weeks. So I wanted to try to get one, if she'll leave this chair and come over here. Come here, Hadley, baby. You better not pop it, and you'll be very sad. Uh-oh. There you go. Oh. Down you fall. Get back up. Hadley, stand up. Don't pop it, Hadley. Hey, Hadley. Hadley. What sound does a doggie make? Yeah. Oh, woof, woof. Good job. Let's see. She's not as good as this one, but we'll give it a try. What sound does an elephant make? Do you remember? Yeah, she doesn't remember the elephant one all the time. Hadley. You're so cute. You're making doggy sounds, aren't you? It's a cool camera, huh? But I'm trying to film you. Will you walk for us a bit? Please? Here, get away from me a little bit so that I can see your whole body. Walk. Here. Stand back up. Hadley. What's wrong? What's wrong?